Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be opening my Ipsy bag as I hit myself in the head with it. I am so excited to see what is in here. I know I picked some of it, but I can't remember what else came in it. But I'm excited about the stuff I picked. I hope it matches my skin because I'm very pale. So this is the bag. It has lips all over it and it is so cute. Alright, so the first thing in here is this Vital Boost Every Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer from Goldfaden MD. So here is this moisturizer. I'm pretty sure this is one of the things that came like already in it. There is a cute little send love. And then there's a little do these this month card. How cute. Alright, the next thing I see is an eyeliner from Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Pencil in graphite. I'm guessing it's black or like something like that. Let's see. Yep, beautiful and nice and dark. So we got a cream eyeliner pencil. The next thing, oh yeah, I picked these. So these are Marmalade Baby Doll Stiletto Glossy Nails. So you glue these babies on. That is what I'm wearing right now, these ones. So I'm really excited to try these out. I haven't been in the mood to like sit there and actually do my nails because it takes like anywhere between like 3 and 5 hours to do my nails the way I like them. So like undo them myself. So yeah, I don't always want to do that. So sometimes it's nice to buy. These are like almost $6 from Walmart and it's just nice. They've been on for almost 3 weeks and I'm not complaining. However, they are starting to get kind of gross, so I'm gonna have to take them off soon. But they seriously have almost made it 3 weeks. Tomorrow will be 3 weeks. It is a Wednesday tomorrow. I don't know when this video is going up, but it'll be Wednesday. The 24th of February will be 3 weeks with these babies on. So, crazy, right? Okay, so this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I did pick this. I really hope this works for me. It's 120W foundation. Okay. I am very pale, so a lot of stuff doesn't work, and then I'm also like a pinky undertone. I really hope this works. So this is the packaging for it. It looks just like the box. This color looks pretty good. I'll do a review. I will try it on for the first time on camera and review it because I don't really do foundation reviews. I don't really buy a lot of new foundation. Like I said, it's not that easy for me to find good ones that like work for me. Like it's actually super rare, I feel like. So hopefully this one is good. We will see. And then I picked another foundation because, and it's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD in Y218. So hopefully this works. It looks like you shake this one. This looks like it's dark. But it might not be. Alright, and this one, oh, I feel like it's going to be too dark. I can already tell. That's okay. I will try it and see. But this foundation is super cute looking. The color, from what I can tell, looks like it might just be a few shades too dark. I don't know if you guys can see that well on camera, but if I hold them together, this one looks like it'll be good. This one's questionable. This one, I'm really pale, so we will see. This one might give me a tan. I think it was the lightest color left because you can pick like, I think the color. And I don't think there were very many options left of that one. So that's another reason I wanted to pick it, because it like was going fast. People obviously like it. So I will definitely try those out. I'm gonna look like an orange. I can tell. But I will try them out in different videos for you guys and see how they look on me, how they wear, all that good stuff. But yeah, so that is everything I got in this cute little Ipsy bag. Look at these little lips. I love them. I love these bags. Like, I love them so much. They're the best. Okay, so we got foundation in this box, or bag, sorry. Eyeliner, moisturizer, and some glue on nails. I think this is a really good bag. Like, this is some good stuff. I'm really excited to try these on. I'll try this moisturizer out, and then I will do reviews on these babies right here, and we shall see how they wear, because yeah, foundation and we don't love each other. Not like we should anyways. But yeah, so that is everything I got in this box. I don't know. Here's my phone. I think I can look up how much this retailed for. Yeah, so this was worth $192 for all this stuff. This is what I got in it. So I got everything it got. Yeah. So this one it retails higher than my last one. I've been trying to like get good at picking some of the stuff, so you can pick, I think it's like 3 of the 5 products, so 2 just automatically come in the bag, and then if you get on in time, you can like go and pick, or like whatever, you get an email for it. So I've been trying to do that the last few months, because I've been trying to be better at like actually getting stuff I'm gonna use, like, want. Obviously I don't mind getting stuff that I don't pick, because then it gets me out of my comfort zone and to try something new. But I've also been enjoying being able to like pick the stuff that I'm gonna be like trying, using, whatever, because I mean, yeah, it is, I'm not paying like obviously how much those products are worth, but I'm still paying for them. So I'd like to get stuff I want to actually use and not just like collect dust, because there are some products I feel like that you get in some of these that just collect dust depending on what you like and what you don't like. So I have been trying to be like better at getting on top of the whole like Ipsy allows you to pick some of this stuff, you know, thing. So I think that's really cool of them, and it gets you to still try stuff you wouldn't, because obviously you only have like, I think it's like 3 or 4 different options for each category. So you still have to pick between stuff, but it's going to be the more likely one that you're going to hopefully want to use, like, whatever. However, I do feel like I made a mistake picking this. I just really wanted to try new foundations. I don't remember what the options were next to this, but this does look really dark, and compared to what it looked like on the internet, this looks quite a bit darker than what I was expecting. But I think I read the undertone and everything. I can't remember. Doesn't matter. But yeah, so that is everything I got in my Ipsy bag this month. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I will be reviewing quite a bit of stuff this month. Well, not this month, but next month, because I got quite a few things I want to try out of my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm. So I will be reviewing some stuff from both. And then I have like a bunch of other stuff I need to review. So I will be on top of that hopefully in March. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment below. Tell me, do you think that foundation is going to be too dark? Because I do. So tell me what you guys think below. If you think that is going to be my shade, not my shade, or if you think it's going to look terrible or bomb. Whatever you think, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. We are over 200. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. It means so much to me. It makes me so happy every time you guys subscribe. So thank you guys so much. I'm so stoked. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!